Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install our demo content and make your website just like the demo. And it is fairly easy and it only needs a single mouse click. So let's do it. After installing your theme, it should look like this, and we know it does not look like the demo at all, but it is really easy. Let me show you how to do it with a single mouse click. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. From here, if you install a fresh theme, you will see a notification like this, and all you need to click here take me to the one-click demo importer. On the next screen, all you need to just click import demo data. All you need to sit tight and it will be done automatically. Okay, it is done. So let's see our website. Well, it looks exactly like the demo and you do not need to do anything else. Now all you need to replace the demo content with your own and have a unique website. If you are using our Pro themes, that means you will have access to our typography, access our color option, background option and other branding elements to give you the opportunity to have a very unique website that suits your branding. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye.